They just put it on there.
Oh.
Okay.
That one's not right.
I got no idea.
What?
All right. Okay, you guys, we're going to guess what is in this.
It's a turtle. It's an iPhone.
It feels like a box about this big.
I got no idea what's in it.
You guys can start
Shelf.
guessing. It's shelf charger.
Charger, shirt, iPad, lights.
Oh,
You know what it is?
I got no idea.
Gee, what the hell? What?
Oh, that's cool.
I still don't know. I can see it. I still don't understand what it is. Oh! Now I understand.
Okay, I don't know how to give clues on this guy.
How heavy is it?
It's light.
Sun catcher. Ooh, good choice.
Ooh, that is
Mask,
towel
mirror,
rack,
wall
book,
decor, makeup, case, t-shirt, towel rack, book, cutting board,
LED
coloring book,
strip.
LED strip.
There's
Doobie
two
lights,
of 'em.
clock. There's
There's
two.
two of 'em.
Ooh, there's two. Okay.
I'll tell you this much.
If-
They're thin, so that's the end of it. So you can see
That's the
edge.
end. No more guesses.
That's the edge.
That's the other edge.
So that'll give you a little bit of an idea.
A bird bath fountain. Photo frame.
Oh,
This is used in the kitchen. There's your clue.
Okay, this is used in the kitchen.
Used in the kitchen. And especially, phone case, charger. It's used in the kitchen, especially when there's very demanding people wanting something to eat. That's kind of a little creepy.
That is cryptic.
Food scale, cutting board, slicer. Man,
This is a little obscure.
this is an add-on to something else. So if you've got this other form of
Cooking device.
this is going to be an additional benefit for you. Silicone baking mags, chips, appetizer
Appetizer
plates,
dishes,
cupboard.
placement, cutting board, silicone mats, Instapot lid. Okay, we are in the right category, JC Mom of 3, Instapot lid. This does have something to do with the Instapot.
Microwave cooker. Hello, Josebi Jackson.
Woo! Josebi!
Put Rockstar Josebi.
Welcome. By the way, Josebi is an author. And if you would like Josebi, we would love it if you posted your book that's on Amazon. We'd love it if you posted the link in the chat for us.
We're so lucky you're breaking away from your world tour of speaking.
I know. She's actually doing an event in, I think in India or somewhere right now. I think she's on a break or something.
We got Air Fry Live Instant Pot Times right here. Evans family.
Evans family said what? Instant pot times. Yes!
We're going to take that with that one.
Instant pressure cooker times. That's what this is. It's pressure cooker cook times flip chart. I'm going to open this up. And the first person that can also find this and put this in the link in the chat, please do.
Where did I type that?
Let's take a look at this. See what this is. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it's a little flip chart, a little timer book. And you've got vegetable, fruit, bean, legumes, pasta, grains, beef and chicken, pork, other meats, seafood, and eggs. And so you just easily flip it open. And you can, like if you want apples, it shows pieces, 1 cup, time 3 to 4 minutes, temperature high. So it tells you exactly what to do.
We got the cover here? What's the cover look like?
Cover looks like that.
Oh, instant pressure cook times.
Yep.
Hey,
It's blue.
Oh, we got a couple of people that have dropped it in.
Cook times and liquid
We got
ratios.
PC Phil and Doris both got it in. Oh no, before them there was Imoni.
Oh wow, Imoni's hitting it, huh?
Imoni and GMG were the first two.
All right, Imoni and GMG, you got it. Awesome. Imoni said I'm too quick, GMG.
Imoni, dynamite. Imoni, out of sight. Imoni, took GMG's song. Imoni, that's not wrong.
This is really kind of a cool, handy thing to have because that's one of the things that keeps me from wanting to use that Instapot is that I found it very confusing on what to cook. However, I did cook some incredible sweet potato soup in there. Awesome. Nice. Josevi says, India, thanks for the shout out. Here's the link. Small Business Survival Guide. This is one of Josevi's books, guys.
Yeah. So if you've got a business for Smurfs, so it's a little small business that little small people come
small
in.
Business?
Small
very
business,
funny. Yeah. That's copyright infringement. Getting a lawyer.
Imoni, dynamite. You gotta be first, GMD.
That's right. Well, that's a really cute little awesome item, isn't it?
But Imoni and GMG, you're both up there for extra prizes in the prize world, and Evan's family for getting it correct, which was a Jordan.